Hello guys, we are back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the Solana cleaner. How does it work? This is basically a fully functional drainer. You can get it from me on my Telegram channel, or you can just contact me on Twitter. For the first 10 people, we are going to sell this drainer for 500 bucks. This is the actual drainer working perfect. This is the side you can see. This is the logo that we're going to place it later after that video end. Basically, the person will click on the victim will click on the process or the connect button, and after that it just show the status connected and just trigger the confirm button here. So you can see like it will show some above certification like pop-up, and simply the transaction is completed. So right now the main drainer fund is showing here, which was the wallet that I connected. So you can see like it's now empty. It head toward to my main wallet, which is this one. So if you like this type of video, make sure you like it and subscribe it. And this is the only content that I am making, which is showing the illegal way to make money and the legal way to make money. And if you need this trainer, just contact me on my Telegram, and we're gonna help you. My team gonna help you. And remember, stay tuned for more. And peace out. And this is the status that transaction is successfully sent it to my wallet.